Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited about the combo that I got in my October 2021 Boxycharm base box, and this is the Camara Aunique Beauty Mary Lashes and the Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner. So if you have not seen my unboxing video of my October 2021 Boxycharm box, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. And I just love that they gave an adhesive liner to go with the lashes. At first when I saw this liquid liner, I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I got another black liquid liner. But once I realized I could use it with these lashes, I was pretty excited. I've actually never heard of this brand, Camara Aunique Beauty. But I'm so excited about these lashes because these look beautiful. They look like the types of lashes that I typically go for. They're handcrafted faux mink lashes and cruelty-free, and they retail for $25, which I think is expensive, but I love that they have the invisible band. Here you can see what they look like. And so the first thing I'm gonna do is see if I need to trim any part of the lashes. So I'm just gonna pick up this one and I'm just going to place it on my eye to size it. Seems like a perfect fit for my eye. Yeah, I guess I have larger eyes because I don't always have to trim any part of my lashes, but if you do, make sure you trim from the outer corner. Okay, I guess I am good to move right on to the liner. So the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner retails for $29, and basically it says, goodbye glue, this is the new way to apply lashes. And I think it is genius. I think it's a great idea. This is cruelty-free. All the instructions say is apply adhesive liquid liner to lash line, allow to become tacky, and apply faux lashes. So I feel like that's not much information, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. No pun intended. And actually I'm not gonna wing my liner, I'm just gonna line the upper lash line. But I think what I wanna do is test it out on my hand so I can see the texture. Seems like a easy to use black liquid liner. It has the felt tip, which seems pretty flexible. So I'm gonna take this mirror right here, and I'm probably going to need to hold my eye like this. It does seem to have good ink to it, easy to apply. I'm not the best with black liquid liner, so that's what makes me a little bit nervous about using this for lashes, is I need to make sure I do a good job with my black liner. So I guess for the first eye, that's fine. It's just making the other eye match. That's the hard part. But so, I mean, it does have a little stickiness, but it's definitely not as sticky as glue, but it's not smudging at all. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up the lash, and I mean, I'm not the best with applying false lashes either, and I don't use a lash applicator. I just use my finger rather than like an applicator or tweezers. So let's see how this is. And I also already applied mascara to my lashes because I have light lashes, so I just like to put on a coat of mascara so that they blend in with my false lashes better. Ooh. That is actually sticking on very securely. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is as secure as glue. It feels like I'm doing a little tug on the lashes and they are not budging. And these lashes are beautiful. So they have like the cat eye shape, so it gets longer towards the outer lashes, which is what I want in my lashes. I have found that that is the most flattering style for me. And the invisible band, although you can't really see the band anyways because of the black liquid liner, but they're lightweight, they have beautiful curl, and I mean, it definitely looks like a dramatic lash, but it's nothing crazy. Oh my gosh, I love these. I think that looks so good. Like seriously, like for me, I'm so impressed. That's like perfect lash application on my first try. Wow. Okay, I'm loving this liner. Loving these lashes. Oh my goodness. Okay, now on to the other eye. And I guess you want to make the liner thick enough so that there is area for the lashes to stick on. So, okay. I think that looks pretty even. I'm pretty happy with this liner. Easy to use. And it really does save me a step when applying lashes, because when I wear false lashes, I'll always use a black liquid liner to hide the band on underneath the glue. So it really is perfect to make the liner the glue, but it's not like a sticky liner. So I'm like, so magical. And it's not like these lashes have anything to do with this liner. It's not like they're like perfectly magnetized together. Like this liner will truly work with any lash. And I would say it gets tacky after, what was that, maybe like 30 seconds when I started applying the lashes. So it's pretty much the same as glue, but I don't think you have to like rush like crazy to stick your lashes onto the liner right after you apply it. You definitely have time. Like it's still getting tacky as I'm pressing these lashes on, and I can adjust them, like adjust the placement as I need to. I feel like this lash is giving me a little bit of a harder time. And also even in the packaging, like this left eye was like sticking out, the corner was off of the packaging and kind of sticking off. And so I'm just trying to place that corner down. And here is my finished lashes and liner look, and I love it. I think they look so flattering and glam, and I am so impressed by how easy it was to apply, how easy and comfortable these lashes also are to apply, and the shape of them I feel like is truly perfect. I definitely don't wear false lashes all that often, or as often as I wish that I did, but now that I have this combination, which I feel like is so quick to apply, so flattering, not too overwhelming that I'll feel like I look too glam wearing these during the daytime, or just too outrageous to wear that they look too, you know, outrageous. Like I love this. They're so comfortable. Like this one, now that I've had it on my eye, like it doesn't even feel like it's there anymore. Like truly, I'm so happy with these. I highly recommend checking both of these out. These lashes are definitely reusable, so I'm going to continue using them. And I feel like with the liner, you know, actually let's test this out. I am going to remove the lashes, and I feel like they've got to be cleaner than glue. Yeah, like nothing is on the lash. So I feel like I can get even more use out of these lashes than maybe I typically would if I was using glue, because the glue can get so messy all over the lashes. And even though these feel very secure on my eyes, so easy, completely painless. Didn't rip off any of my lashes to remove these. So wow, placing these back in the holder here because this came in a nice little case. So yay, I am so excited to, like I said, continue wearing this combination because I'm so happy with it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.